The first category of operators we're going to look at is arithmetic operators. We use this for performing calculations, just like the calculations we have in mathematics. So here we have two variables, x and y. Let's take a look at all the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. So I'm going to do a console.log. Here's the first example, x plus y. That is the addition operator. So these arithmetic operators usually take two operands, in this case, x and y, and then produce a new value. What we have here, this x plus y, is what we refer to as an expression in JavaScript. So an expression is something that produces a value. So here's the addition operator. We also have subtraction. We have multiplication, division, and remainder of division. So just like the basic arithmetic operators we have in mathematics, we have a new operator in JavaScript that is exponentiation. It's indicated by two stars, and that is x to the power of y. So these are pretty straightforward. We have two additional arithmetic operators that are a little bit more tricky. So I'm going to focus on those. For now, I'm going to comment out these few lines. You can do that by selecting a piece of code and pressing Command and slash on Mac or Control and slash on Windows. So these two other operators are increment and decrement operators. Let's see how they work. So increment is indicated by two plus signs, and depending on where we put the plus signs, this operator will behave differently. So I'm going to do a console.log of x. X is initialized to 10. So if I save the changes, we see 10 on the console. Now, if I put the increment operator before x, the value of x will be incremented by 1 first, and then we will see that on the console. Let's take a look. So save the changes. See, we get 11. In contrast, if we put this operator after x, we'll see x on the console first, and then the value of x will be incremented by 1. Have a look. Save the changes. We see 10, but at this point, x is incremented by 1. So if we do another console.log of x, now we should see 11. Have a look. Here it is. The decrement operator is pretty similar. So instead of two plus signs, we have two minus signs. And here I'm going to apply this before x. So we're going to decrement the value of x by 1 and then display it on the console. So for this demo, I'm going to comment out these two lines. Have a look. We see 9 on the console because we applied this operator first and then displayed x on the console. So these are all the arithmetic operators we have in JavaScript. To recap, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder of division, exponentiation, which is x to the power of y, as well as increment and decrement operators.